Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Foldable 2026, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, is expected to represent a significant step forward in the evolution of future foldable smartphones. By addressing long-standing user concerns and introducing targeted upgrades, Samsung has solidified its position as a leader in this innovative market. New major upgrades and changes are revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Whether you are new to flexible devices or upgrading from an earlier model, the new Samsung Z Fold 8 offers a polished experience that redefines expectations for durability, design, and functionality. Number 1. New Crease-free technology. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is its creaseless display, a major improvement over previous models. By using dual-layer ultra-thin glass, Samsung has effectively eliminated the visible crease that was a common drawback in earlier foldable devices. This innovation not only enhances the phone's visual appeal but also improves its durability, making sure the screen can endure repeated folding without compromising its integrity. Number 2. More handsome made. A balanced approach with durability and portability. Durability has been a key focus for the Z Fold 8, and Samsung has made significant strides in this area. The hinge mechanism has been reinforced, and the device now incorporates more aluminum in its construction, making it more robust, without adding unnecessary weight. At just 200 grams, the Galaxy Fold 8 is lighter than its predecessor, the Samsung Fold 7, which weighed 215 grams. Number 3. Heavy battery. Autonomy performance is a critical factor for any smartphone, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 delivers a substantial upgrade in this area. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the device offers extended usage times, compared to the 4400 mAh battery found in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Number 4. Camera upgrades. The camera system of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 has been fine-tuned to cater to photography lovers and casual users alike. The device will get new improved and impressive 200 megapixels primary camera with an updated lens, while introducing a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Number 5. Wider variant. In response to user feedback, Samsung has introduced a wider display variant of the Z Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. This option provides a more traditional smartphone experience when the device is folded. The new Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8 are expected in July this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.